Ewe, sawubona kunjani? Orlando Pirates 3 SuperSport United 1. Igame iphelele extra time kwazise iphele ngo-1-1 kwi-90 minutes. Bafowethu umdlalo bomnandi kakhulu. We expected that umdlalo ubusemgangathweni ophezulu, ubukwenye level kakhulu. Bekade nje kuyi end to end. Beyithengana ubusuka ngapha uye ngale, but first 10 iSuperSport ubuyiphethe. I believe they should have scored at least one goal to take lead lapha ku first 10 minutes, even though they didn't have a shot on target in the first half, but igame beqale kahle kakhulu SuperSport. They showed lapha i-character ngempela, batshengisa ukuthi bafuna ukuzoyishaya Orlando Pirates, batshengisa ukuthi nabo bangcono, even though bengayanga ko Spain, even though bengathenganga iquality etheni, but they are also here to compete. Umdlalo kwabafethu uqale kahle kakhulu, iSuperSport yawuphatha amaphutha amaningi from Orlando Pirates emuva. Abebengayithembi, bebeyingabaza ubudididi kwenza isithidi ongasibone nesixaxaka, abadlali betrap but batrapela umphakathi. Athi umuntu uyaphasa aphase ipass ongayiboni nawe siyaphi, kodwa ke ababongeke abadlali beBucks lapha ukuthi abazange baconcede nge-first 10 minutes. Equality yaka Monapole Salenk imbone edla indoda. Ayi bafethu uPorhiso Sanoka ingubo uzolala idonsa ngamazinyo. uPorhiso Sanoka ingubo uzolala idonsa ngamazinyo, ngoba uMonapole Salenk ubekade ethunywe kuyena namhlanje. Bengazuthi nje uyena wathi wabulala uyise makuthi usekhona noma uthi akasekho. It was like ube nempi naye, yabona, ubemhlukumeza umbulele bafethu. Washaya 6 yard wathola unda walivalile emlosini bafethu. Igoli elihle ngesithende. Orlando Pirates they took lead zaya kwi half time. Orlando Pirates hamba phambili ngegoli elilodwa eqandeni. Well, immediately after half time, Vincent Pule shonisa ibhola elihle diagonal pass ethola uGropla, uMonyane he was found lacking, he was found ejahe ithunzi. uGropla wadrizela upule wabhala abafethu igoli lakhe lokuqala with iSuperSport United. Kuhleke lokho, game eqhubeka seku-1-1. And then from there kwavele kwayishow yaka Ricardo Goss bafethu yashaya ipali lombhemu. Yabona, if kukuthi kuyenzeka bathathe i-man of the match from a losing side, I believe ukuthi uGoss ubengayithola bafethu, futhi ubekudeserve kakhulu. Uyena noSaleng badlale kahle kakhulu namhlanje. They had a very good game bobabili. uGoss bafethu ube nama saves amaningi crucial ngendlela esimanga. Orlando Pirates bisifikile iSuperSport United sifika ucelemba ngezandla, bese kuma phansi ngempela lapha. Ngibonile ukuthi Orlando Pirates la ibifuna ukunqoba lo mdlalo kwi-90 minutes, kodwa akuzange kwenzeke ngenxa yokuthi uRicardo Goss he was up for the task. Uvimbe kahle kakhulu usuku namhlanje uRicardo Goss, ngimthulela isiqhoko. Kodwa masebeza njengemvula ave kunzima ukubavala. Ngeke ubavale sonke isikhathi. Masebeza njengemvula, uDlamini was introduced. Uyalazi ibhola uDlamini, umnandi uDlamini, ukhulu, ukhama, ucollected. I just hope kule season uzoyiqala early ashise. Iyahlupha le yakhe ukuthi ashintshe after i-second half of the season. Uyikhaya eqala ke lapha eGqilazi, but ubona uSaleng eqhamuka ngale kwi-far post walidiliza kamnandi. uGoss had no chance. Lafica uSaleng walivalela nethini extra time. Ngaleyo ndlela kwi-first half extra time Orlando Pirates took lead ka-2-1. Second half sibona uMaswanganyi ubona uSaleng lasuka entendeni lahlala entendeni. uSaleng wabhekana noGoss, uGoss wakwazi ukuyivimba. Abantu ke ngizwe bekhala bethi kune offside lapha. Cha, uyanza kwethu ayikho offside lapha. Lapha nje I believe ukuthi game ibidlalwa at a very high speed. Maningi ama offside call enziwe akade ngewona kahle ama offside vele kuya game leyana. Even elibhola lela bakhala ngalo basuMonyane bekade kube yipenalty lapha. uMonyane brother defender, believe ukuthi defender uBaloni, I don't know who that was, but shaya isandleni uMonyane yeseshaya isandleni, but uGropla before alhead relansizwa dinga phambili ibiku offside position vele from the beginning bafowethu. So kodwa kangazi ke ukuthi sozobatheni soccer zone. uSaleng ubhekana no goalkeeper Ricardo Goss, alibhulu Ricardo Goss bafowethu yavimba uGoss, lafica uMahupa outside of the box. uMahupa wabona i-emptiness wasibhola walivalela into ngempela yaqhuma iscomota dance lapha kukhona kick. Orlando Pirates took lead ka-3-1. Ngaleyo ndlela Orlando Pirates idlulela ama-semi-finals MTN 8 la khona iyoyibeka ethubeni lokunqoba isicoco. Iyodlala lapha ama-semi-finals. Angazi ukuthi uzodlala nobani wena ngokwakho mlandeli, ufisa ukuthi idlale nobani Orlando Pirates kuma-semi-finals.